Hi there. You know, it appears that my microwave has quit working. It's kind of a problem for me because I really like cooking with my microwave. I love to heat up everything from sandwiches, soup, to burritos. Burritos. Anyhow, you know, a lot of chefs they kind of frowned on microwave cooking. And to them I say, go to hell! But I digress. So anyhow, I have to fix my microwave so I can cook up some dinner tonight, you know, and I'm thinking, well, I don't know anything about microwaves except how to heat up some food. I really don't know how they work or how to fix them, you know. I do know one thing about microwaves. Whatever you do, don't ever dry your hair in a microwave oven. It can cause severe brain damage. But I'm okay now. So anyhow, I poked around and I found a tool that I think is going to help. So why don't we go ahead and fix this old microwave? Let's get it done. That's what I'm talking about. So I think I got it. Now I've got to go take a look at my TV. Having some problems with that too.